In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thank you card in Word. Creating a personalized thank you card in Microsoft Word is easier than you might think, and it only takes a minute to get started. This is a perfect way to show appreciation to friends, family, or colleagues with a professional-looking card made entirely from your computer. To begin, open Microsoft Word and start with a blank document. This gives you a clean canvas to work with and ensures that you won't accidentally carry over any formatting from previous projects. Once your blank document is open, navigate to the File tab located in the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on the File tab will open the main menu where you can access all the different options for creating, saving, and managing your documents. Next, select the New option from the menu. This will take you to the Template Search area, where Word offers a variety of pre-designed templates for different purposes. In the search bar at the top, type in Thank You Cards. Press Enter, and you will see a collection of ready-made thank you card designs. These templates are a great starting point because they already have layouts, fonts, and colors set up, saving you time and effort while still allowing room for your own customization. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open it in a new document. From here, you can personalize the card by editing the text to include your message of gratitude. You can also adjust the font style, size, and color to match your preference or the occasion. Adding small touches like inserting an image, a border, or a logo can make your card even more unique and special. After you finish customizing the card, review it to ensure everything is aligned and looks visually appealing. When you're satisfied with the design, save your card so you can print it or share it digitally. Saving your work ensures you can come back and make edits later if needed. And that's it! You've created a professional-looking thank you card in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials.